People confused? Are you confused? You didn't know the one you want to do first?
There's a mixture of confusion somewhere.
You didn't know what you want to do first?
Say music, their face, music, their face. Music and their face.
What's confusing you? What's wrong with all of you?
I don't know.
Welcome to the show.
I don't know.
You know that thing when I just do now? Nobody say I get anything to tell you. I just...
You will know the traits of amebo. When person don't do amebo, reach one extent. Just like, but you have here. Good morning.
How everybody day? We hope so you get beautiful night and your day they come up very, very good. We for here, we dey enjoy ourselves and we hope so you self go enjoy the rest of the show. Make I do like all those old school presenters.
Yeah, no.
Welcome to the show. And as we go on the show, we hope that you will enjoy the show. We have many things lined up for you. And as it is, we hope that things will be as we plan it to be. But first of all, introducing my co-host. You are very unprofessional. What's wrong with you? You are very unmoralistic. What is this?
No. They put one sellotape paper now. They put super glue.
You are harassing people.
You can't hear dun 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 dig 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 qua 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 qua. I thought we couldn't rush go and go Trump.
Kai. Welcome upon it. Bad as it bad. Anyhow where you be, we they tell you. Wait a what? Which kind of cough is this? This cough is suspicious. You have tuberculosis? What's wrong with you?
Say my eye red.
No.
Mayowa on national TV.
Where you think
Eja. That is you go say Eja.
Hey. But I did not tell you something. Talking about this fagbo thing, is it not the time I was coming back from somewhere yesterday? Only me went out. I went to go and deliver something to somebody. As I was coming back saying, I don't tire after deliverance.
Yes, deliverance.
After deliverance of the goods, make I come my house, come sleep myself to stupor. Not be for road. Knock on glass.
Yeah.
Fear first catch me. You know you have to be careful. Knock on glass. Come. Yes, can I help you? Now you one and down. Small. Because it be like person where they find help. Now one and down small. Auntie, God will not forsake you. Auntie, God will bless you. Please, it's not really as if this is my character. It's just that something came up and I have to just come and meet you. Please, do you have any 500 naira? Auntie, you can just help me with it. Because I can see in your eyes that you're a very giving person. You like to help people. Please help me. And I ask him, I say, Uncle, what you want to do with the 500? Is it you are going somewhere or somewhere is going you?
Damn.
What you want to do with the 500?
Which of the above?
He said, Auntie, because I see that you are kind of something like a helper. But I just want to tell you that, Auntie, I will not lie. Igbo mo fe fifa.
Yay!
I'm not joking. He come out, come talk, and you know what he talk? He say, Auntie, I won't go buy weed. The thing don't hook me, I cannot survive. Please, Auntie, I must just take this weed. Now I wind up my glass so you are not a very serious person. If it's going to wound you, let it wound you there. He talk him all high. You know, some go even lie, come me to say, I never chop.
No, many they always use different things to lie.
Oh, ha.
Again, one day I see one, they under hot sun, they sit down that hot sun. I will tell you, people, they use their own hand, they destroy this life what they get. It's down that hot sun. Sun, they heat me. I did say boss that some years back. I did say boss. I just look at he did on that hot sun. They drink one correct hot, because just buy them from one girl hand, hot beer. They smoke it, bro. On that hot sun, though,
what's
hot sun. That one now, tell me how in brain won't take function properly.
You know, the funny thing be say, I don't know why our young people still they enter inside this thing. Because you see as they spoil people's life. You know, say you get one outreach where we've been go one time, where we entered places like Tinkan Island.
Yeah.
We enter inside some kind ghetto place for inside the Keja. We enter inside some kind places like that. And I don't want to call names so that people no go feel offended. Because, you know, some core areas where we say these people did. We enter inside there. Do you know that this man, as he sit down, in they construct the wound put for a leg. When he come out, it go be like say one of his leg don't go.
Oh.
It go be like say na only one leg in gets. Another woman, they construct her belly. Your thing say she get belly.
Oh.
When she get this money finish, nothing where she want to use and do. She want to buy heroin, or buy weed, or buy cocaine, or something to inject. Not even for food. Now it will interest you to know, say for hospitals, then they born children. As then they born them, the children are already addicted to drugs.
Wow.
Because while their mama was pregnant with them, she
dey
high anyhow. So when them born the pikin go they cry anyhow. The moment you give him something that has nicotine,
that's why some of these children
calm down.
They will
some
come
of them
out now.
From birth.
Because they don't open eye, come out.
I dey tell you.
Cry. You no go cry.
Sorry, you know, it go soon go break. This thing is na big problem. The one where they pay me pass Ogbolo. Now during this outreach we go. The mother they do, you know, when they do syndrome, you won't take the thing never day. You won't take the thing never day. A baby of 1 year old or less, the pikin crawl. He crawl, come down, crawl, go where he go dey. Carry him, crawl, come back, come give him mama. I mean, that child already knows that the only thing we fi make him mama stop the do as she did do.
Wow.
How sad is that? As I see this thing, I'm sorry, but tears just started dropping from my eye because this is even a child that doesn't even know anything yet.
That already
the child already knows what to do.
The environment will I beg last
I know they exaggerate like my mama go talk am.
Make we just at this juncture. Make we just and no go stand to say okay one judge, but if you know anything good, do anything good. If you know anything good, wreck your life, not you can inside.
No.
All right. So we not go help you say don't do this, do this. But we go say if you know anything bad, not check your hand inside. I beg.
And then please be careful with your children. Watch where they go. Watch their friends. We don't say you know if you watch them finish, but you can do the most you can as a parent. This thing they destroy people's life. Oh.
Yes. So.
Forget what we they talk. When I say destroy, I mean some mega destroying. So we take God name beg you. All right. Back to the show. Let's go on a break.
All right.
Come back.
Quickly.
That boy hold on finish.
Enjoy. Enjoy not the boil. Enjoy the boil. Anyway, Chris Clown, correct, well done there. And the other guy name, I don't forget his name again. Now, well done. One of the craziest and funniest kids guy why they follow on the good day. So for me match break, we go for the young quickly. Before carry too much talk enter the whole level. All right, quickly. Let's see this sharply. Yos.
Una go just dey catch person. Whether person dey gossip now, you know, go just drop upon it. Anyway, Scottish company they don't launch made to measure bulletproof furnitures now.
Come
okay,
again.
Yeah,
just the person bulletproof company now. So make we hear
Scottish company.
Yes.
Scotland.
Yes.
A Scottish company for inside Scotland now. They don't launch made to measure bulletproof furniture. Now, because for inside Scotland, then talk say people just the terrorists, shootouts just they happen anyhow for different places. So because of this one, a particular guy will be Darren Osden, come talk say they don't begin produce furniture we get bulletproof inside, like chairs, tables, because they produce them because of human instincts. Like for example, if you see say them blow gun now, the first thing we go come here when I to hide on that table.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Out of instinct. So now through that one, now then produce all these chairs them, and then for inside the chairs them, they put different things inside we go fit absorb the bullets when they go pass through to come to the other side to affect anybody where they duck behind them or where they hide under them. Now they say then design them with a natural human reaction to unexpected gunfire. You understand? Because the first thing that you go one hide behind any barrier. Where you see. Now, the thing where they be say, then put armor plating, metal armor something, inside the chair, inside the foam of the chair. You understand? So that when they shoot the something, it go hit back the metal. Go cause any form of damage. So now the new thing where they do, and then put them for different places, them like museum, embassy, hotels, and some other locations, because now there, according to the history of the shootouts, the target for
areas.
Terrorists, yes.
Well, I mean, the carry and come like Lagos or Nigeria, it go good. Maybe they all carry and come this side, say, make una take. Only my fear be say they will sell them for a year.
Even there now for sale.
No, I mean for this place now, they cannot give some uniform men.
They're big people now.
But a good thing. See, the world is taking a new turn. They think ahead. Say, see, we here now only fuel sabi hot. Anyway, I believe our government is here. and they go try their best to make sure say we safe we measure up to expectation. Now very good one. At least now, anytime we badness won't happen for some kind of major places.
When you duck behind something,
just run, go back up.
Possibility they say you they safe because
yes.
big sofa, tables, chairs.
Yes.
Now in them get.
You carry chair like this. Hey, before you do it, if you run, you understand?
You too like play.
No, they play like that. I don't think they play. I'm a serious somebody now. This is serious story now.
Very serious.
Yes, now.
And you are reacting to it seriously.
Yes. They show them the film as it's supposed to be. Just in case people don't know how to take jump, they use the chair, they hide themselves.
Okay,
you just jump, go the back.
Jump at the back of your chair.
You carry the chair, can't they go? So all the missiles go, they pew, 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 pew. You go, they carry the bullet, like, you know, and you are safe. You are safe. All right. So for my own gist now, that one an invention, Abi?
Yes.
Means I get invention gist.
Invent it.
Invention gist. Look, we have to start thinking to invest things. I say invest. To invent things. Yeah, how they pay me?
Who say you?
I go know at the waka, at the grease person, just as they come enter studio just now. I don't know when I don't look, I can't go use my shoulder, jam wall.
It's called luku.
Bah, I jam the wall, I come bone, only me see bone, say, forget, no. You know, I just dust down.
Look at you, look at me, tell me, what do you see? Pay hand.
Hey, now they pay me. Anyway, like I was saying earlier, more start to think about how to invent things, you know? And the other person at the talk say, the one we invent, and don't do anything.
Oh, well.
Don't worry. Your own people, the one you go, they go invent, and then you go turn everything around. Who can say? Now for China, Chinese students then. Yes, you know, some group of students from inside China, Dalian National University, they come and come talk, say, as it be like this, for inside China, people like to ride bicycle. At the same time, we don't reach age where not everybody use hand, they wash clothes again. Washing machine don't they provided already. They can't think and say, to provide a new invention where you go feed the exercise at the same time, they do your laundry at the same time, guess.
They don't create washing machine where person go there as they bicycle yourself, the thing they wash the clothes.
Bam.
Are you kidding?
So now they don't invest that one. So as you pedal your pedal, you do
they wash your clothes.
1, 2, 1. They wash your clothes. So for every pedal where they pedal, they roll the machine. They do men and brethren tell me, is this not a good invention?
You know go heavy. You know to say go heavy.
See, they don't add all the things inside. The heavy weighting, everything where all the technicalities and everything. We no go make and they do.
So that means say if you want wash and you get meeting, you go just put them inside now. The meeting yourself they go.
Then
why you dey wash your duvet?
If you do your things, yes now. If you just do your things at the same time, it dey help you your physical fitness.
Yeah.
At the same time, it dey make you take care of your laundry. You don't need to go the entire road. Say I want to go one thing, and you're okay. At the same so this one at the bicycle, and they also do the one way machine self do Okada. Okada own self. That one go just for back of the Okada.
No, you be like Okada won't go wash quick.
That one I'm gonna machine.
As you do, you go do.
You know, they are inventing things. Let's follow suit. They don't invent the one they do chair as bulletproof. Not the China people. They can't invest the one if they use bicycle. You pedal your thing. You go wash your clothes. Your car they drive arm, you go to wash clothes for you. I mean, what more can we say?
What can you invent in your life?
What can you invent in your life?
What can you invent in your life?
I say, what can you invent in your life now?
Invent it now, invent it.
Invent it.
Invent it now, invent it.
Invent it.
What can you invent in your life? Ayo,
What can you invent in your life? Invent in your life. What can you invent in your life? What can you invent in your life now? Listen, bro, what can you invent in your life now? Listen, Okada wash machine, bicycle wash machine. What can you invent in your life now? I say, live witchcraft. Live witchcraft. Live wishy things now. Live wishy things now. Listen, what can you invent in your life? What can you invent in your life? Invent in your life now. What can you invent in your life now? What can you invent in your life now? Shit.
Laugh the laugh.
Whoa. Yes,
break.
Baby. Break. No be laugh the laugh now. Break.
Break laugh.
I would like to watch the continuation. Like I think anything they do now, the guy just appear, they beat them.
They beat them.
I pity them. Anyway, we'll continue the yarn quickly. Mayos.
All right. So FIFA now don't honor Vincent Enyeama. On the 1st of March,
Okay.
wey just pass.
Yes.
Then carry award give am. You
Okay.
understand? Then carry trophy give am for hard work, dedication, and success.
Wow.
Then carry give Enyama. And he wrote something. He put picture with the trophy, and he come comot come talk. Say he said, "This is how goodness and mercy will follow you all this month of March."
Amen.
First day of March,
Amen.
FIFA got me a trophy for hard work, dedication, and success. Thank you, FIFA. I want to wish everyone reading this message a wonderful month of March.
Wow.
God did it for me. God will do it for you.
Pray, 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 pray the Lord.
You remember that match where them play, where everybody they hail? Even me, I follow hail am.
For,
For my
Enyama,
Instagram page.
where Enyama they save every.
As in, once Enyama to the rescue.
Enyama caught on to superhero.
And I tell you
They say
this thing.
Enyama will save your marriage.
Enyama will save
Enyama will save your relationship.
Enyama will save everything.
He will save your money.
He will save everything. Enyama the saver.
Enyama
Enyama save us now.
They do different things.
Child.
There's one when you wear Superman clothes. There's one when you wear Batman clothes. You turn to superhero.
He get
He
oneself.
save.
He get oneself. You know all these fleets where they take fleet mosquito.
Yeah.
He get one where them put. The fear of Enyama is the death of mosquitoes.
No. No.
He deserves it.
Before he retire, we say what retire so. No, he tried.
He tried.
He tried.
He retired well.
Well,
He left a good legacy before he
He's doing
retired.
work very well.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That is
Oh
the reason
yeah.
why everybody must also learn to do your work very, very well.
So the thing is, no matter how far, no matter how kenikan, no matter how long or short, the fact be say when you do something worth being commended, no matter what, eventually you go collect better commendation, trophy, or even great reward for that thing where you do.
Like-
So just keep doing good.
Yes, like we talked some time back. You will say people know they watch you. You go tell me nobody they watch.
It
But
go
don't
shock
worry.
you.
Just continue. You know, seest thou a man diligent in his ways? He shall stand before kings and not mere men. Amen. Amen.
Wow.
No,
didn't know you
now
got it.
I quote now. You're not telling me anything.
I
no.
didn't know you got it in you.
Look at this one. Look at this one. You
I
think because
didn't
I follow the jump up and down for this place means I'm not gonna get spiritual inclination.
I'll slap you.
Not they try me. Oh.
I didn't
If
know
I
you got it
rabash,
in you.
look at all
No, didn't do
the
that.
seest thou a man.
You did that before you offend other people. No, don't do that.
No, that's true. That's
No,
true.
no.
I'm just somewhere in the spirit
Yeah,
around there.
Yeah, in another realm.
Yeah. All right, based on realms and spiritual things, one small boy for Akwa Ibom, what did they call David? Sometime back they be accused the boy, say the boy na winch. So the full family come pursue the boy, come outside, say, "Now we abandon you, will not come and collect you again. You are a witchcraft boy, you are a witchcraft child, you are a witchcraft personality." So last, as they abandon the boy now, one Danish aid worker, what did they call Anja Ringren. Loven, she can't share, she can't decide to say, this small boy, where they tossing and winch. If it's not be winch, or one thing, she can't decide to take him in, can't try to help him to become, to get better life. Last.
The boy was starving to death.
The boy, yes, back on the starve, he come, they
my
malnourished. See the guy, So the woman can finally take him, can say, okay, since people don't abandon him, make I can help this boy out. Ladies and gentlemen, that the boy be that. And as it be like this now, the woman don't put him for where other children that we no get parents there. I say, what do they call them again?
Daycare. Foster home.
Foster home is they don't find home for them.
It be like motherless baby.
Like motherless baby's home, for example. So now, she said she did very, very happy now. Say, see the pikin where they abandoned. Say she don't carry them now, put them for motherless baby's home now. In the play with other children. Say she did very, very happy. Say she feels that she don't be fulfilled with this particular help, which she helped this small pikin. Say sometimes, you know, just say, okay, just talk to pikin now, wish, or one thing. If it be medical problem, if it be psychological problem. But not be everything, they all carry say, now wish, can't abandon the pikin, say one thing. But now she don't go back to her country, we be Denmark. But as it be, so she did very happy, say she don't leave this boy in the good hands of people that will go take care of him inside the motherless baby's home where she don't carry and put so. All right, so I believe what she talk. You understand? Not be everything really be spiritual problem. Some people feel don't get psychological problem. They make them do somehow one kind.
You know? I don't know. I go talk this thing. And Nigerians, we don't believe in psychology, and you need to understand. Say, you get some people will be say the problems with them get not because of say they increase. Not be because of say people they follow them from village.
Yeah.
Not because of say something they lose for their head. It is only because they have some psychological problems.
And I just small thing, no.
If you go to psychiatric homes, especially if you go the women ward, Ogbolo, I can tell you categorically, quote me and I say, 50 to 60% of the women then are psychological problem, either from maltreatment, either from broken marriages, either from broken relationships, either from abuse. Most of them are psychological things. We say if you work with good psychologists, it go help you overcome your fear, help you overcome those things, and you become a better person. So you need to understand that not everything is winch. Sometimes it can just be psychology.
Exactly. You know, so like my was talk just now, and I believe she's speaking from a place of, you know, understanding and a place of, you know, experience is the best teacher.
Well,
you know, especially like my one, she don't visit psychiatric house where.
Yes.
Because they lose sometimes.
Yes.
So she'll go there now, just go say, okay, make them help her.
Yes.
Because she don't lose.
You know, best of the same friend that know their self.
Yes.
Because how can you be my friend or will be my friend for a very long time?
No,
you must be mad too.
I don't know when they go there. Oh,
you must be mad too.
Now you talk just now, say, if you go to psychiatric home,
yes.
meanwhile, that means you don't go.
Oh, but Lord, you there, so you need to visit one. You think you're all right?
Okay.
You think you're okay? Do you see the things that you do? You need psychological.
Laugh the laugh.
I get them.
Laugh the laugh, right? Now, no, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No, darling.